Hi guys, I'm Jeff Puckett. I'm sure I've worked with several of you in previous classes. I apologize right now, I'm at work. I, my history with mental health, right now I am a senior services case manager. I work for West County Community Services here in Santa Rosa area in Northern California. Previously I worked in Southern California and I was a recovery coordinator and case manager for children with mental and behavioral issues. Um, my previous job, I did work quite closely with mental health diagnosis and situations. I worked very closely with therapists and psychiatrists and with the evaluations and the programs, care plans, and whatnot set up for the mental health evaluations. Currently, I now work with the senior population where I'm newly relocated, and so I still work somewhat with the mental health portion to some extent. Mostly what I work with now is like depression, anxiety, dementia, Alzheimer's, stuff like that. In regard to working with the diagnostic portion of an evaluation and whatnot, I don't really have any true connection except for referral basis. I refer a lot of my clients out to the mental health professionals, which I work closely with, but I do not have any part in the diagnosis. I do things like the PHQ-2 and the PHQ-9 when I'm doing an assessment or an evaluation on a client. And from there, that kind of determines what direction I go with what referrals I make in that regard. I think that was all the questions that we were supposed to ask. Anyway, I am excited about this class. The teacher seems really cool, and I look forward to working with you guys. Hopefully group projects are not as strenuous and as much of a headache as they have been in the past. But either way, I'm looking forward to it, and we'll see what happens. Take care, everybody.